Well, hello there. I'm Glen, and I've got quite the tale to tell you about Whisperwood Forest. Now, this wasn't just any old forest, you see. It was a magical land where animals could talk, and the seasons danced to the tune of a very special crystal. That shy little fox there, that's me. I was terrified of, well, everything. But I had the best friend a fox could ask for.
Come on, Glen. The Firefly Festival is about to start.
I don't know, Max. It looks awfully crowded out there.
Remember, Glen, courage isn't about being fearless, but about facing your fears for those you care about.
Oh no, that poor little thing. I had to do something, but the height. I was halfway up when everything changed in the blink of an eye.
Someone must retrieve the crystal, or our forest will freeze forever.
I'll go. I'll get the crystal back.
You will? I mean, of course you will. And I'm coming with you, buddy.
And just like that, our adventure began. Little did I know how much it would change me and our beloved Whisperwood Forest. Well, you see, Max and I set off into the Whispering Woods, and let me tell you, it was quite the experience.
The journey itself is what makes you grow.
Did you understand any of that?
Nope, but it sounded important.
We met the most extraordinary creatures and saw the most amazing sights. And with each step, I felt a little braver.
We can do this, Max. Together.
For the first time in my life, I was taking the lead. And you know what? It felt pretty amazing.
Look! That must be where the raven took the crystal.
Then that's where we're going. Our home needs us.
Little did we know, the real challenges were only just beginning.
Glen, we need to move, now!
Max, this way. We can lose them. Max, no. I can't do this alone. I'm not brave enough. No, I am brave. I can do this. For Max, for Whisperwood, I won't give up. I'll find Max and save our home.
Right, so there I was, coming out of that ice cave, feeling like a whole new fox.
Max, where are you?
Glen, you're okay.
Come on, Max. We've got a forest to save.
Now, I'd love to say we had some brilliant plan, but honestly, we were pretty much making it up as we went along. What happened next was like something out of those action movies Max loves so much.
I've got it.
And just like that, we had done the impossible, but our journey wasn't over yet.
Please work, please work.
And then, well, then it was like spring and summer decided to throw a party all at once.
Well done, Glen, you've saved us all.
I couldn't have done it without Max, or without all of you believing in me.
And that's how I, Glen the once timid fox, found my courage and saved Whisperwood Forest. But you know what? The real adventure was discovering who I could be when I believed in myself. Well, folks, that's how a scared little fox like me learned about courage and the power of friendship. Remember, you've got more bravery inside than you know. You just have to find it.